How do I prepare for the pigeon bathing? I usually use some bicarbonate like this. And then I use some sea salt. Like this. And then I add a little bit of citric acid. Like this. And now you can see how all the components react. Like this. It's very good for pigeon feathers and for their health in general. And now I will put so they can bath. As you can see, they already want to bath, but I will fill more water. Like this. And now we're gonna see how they like. And as you can see, they even drink from that. And all the components, bicarbonate, citric acid and sea salt helps them